If you want to learn this beautiful animation agenda slide in PowerPoint, then you are at the right place. Hello everyone, my name is Vikram and I welcome you all to our channel Live Life. So let's begin the process of learning. We are at the blank screen of PowerPoint. First we need to go to Design, Format Background and then Picture Field. And we will insert a picture of our choice. I am selecting this one with trees. Very beautiful picture inserted. Cross this, go to Insert, Shapes and a triangle, right angle triangle. Perfect. We will need to rotate it, so we will place it at the corner, left top corner. We will adjust it. Perfect. Now no outline. We will adjust its transparency and its gradient fill. So we are deleting this one also, and here we will do little bit adjustments and little bit settings, so it will take some time. So we are selecting some gray colors to provide some gray gradient, but it's appearing it's little dark, so transparency we try to adjust. Still it's dark. We need to select the pattern, somewhat light on the top. Okay, now it's going fine. It's transparent, but the color is not getting accurate. Need to insert other one, white color. So now we'll try to adjust. Okay, fine, nice. The background is also same for now. Little bit more adjustments we'll try. Now transparency is set to high. Perfect. Now we will do it Ctrl D. We will rotate it and we will place it at the right bottom corner. So what happens is it has given a new effect to our background. Go to Shapes, a circle, resize it to 3 by 3 centimeter. Perfect. We have given a circle, adjust it to the size, go to Gradient Fill, cross this, and now the same thing we will do it with the circle, the same thing that we did with the triangle. So we will somewhat darken it. Perfect. So little bit adjustments. Now what will we do? We will do it 3D format with a top bevel of this second one. We will adjust its width and its depth, height and width, both 20 points we have given. So this has given a nice effect to our circle. It has transformed into a 3D object. Perfect, very nice. The type we have given to radial and a little bit more darkness, and the direction to the outward direction. We will select second one. Sorry. Good, nice one. Very nice effect it has given. Now little bit more adjustments with the triangle because that was looking very dark. Now select this one, Ctrl D, place it to some other location so that it moves forward. Resize it to 4 cm by 4 cm. Perfect. Replace it. Then again Ctrl D, duplicate. Then place it to somewhere top and the location of your choice. Then again Ctrl D, place it to the location of their choice. Change the size to 6 by 6 centimeter. Perfect. We have placed these, the placeholders. Now go to Shapes and Line. We will connect all these circles that we have created with lines. So go to Shape Outline. We will fill the color to light gray and the weight we are giving it to 4.5 point. Perfect. Now Control D to duplicate it. 2 more lines we have duplicated, and now we will join its end to the other 2 circles. Very nice. Perfect. Do subscribe the channel to gain more videos. Go to Insert, Icons. We will select 5 icons and we will insert these 5 icons into our PPT slide. The icons may be of your choice, customize according to your needs. We are selecting these icons of body parts, and we will select one company logo. Perfect. So these icons have been inserted. We can place it to their respective places. That totally depends on your company profile, what you are manufacturing or giving services. Perfect. That are customized. I am doing this for just illustration purposes. Perfect. To the center. Perfect. If you have any queries, doubts, do tell us in the comment section. Resize them so that they adjust to the sizes. Select them all, graphics fill, and give them a little whitish gray color. Perfect. To the logo, we are giving it yellow color. We are resizing it, making it a little bit bigger. Go to Insert, Text Box, and we will here write the company name. So let's suppose the company name is XYZ Limited. So we will type here XYZ Limited. Perfect. A little bit size adjustments, Control A, and we are increasing the size of this one. Perfect. The font we can change to our choice, making it bold, and place it below the logo. Perfect. Perfect. Now what we need to do is select all these shapes, go to Animations, first Format. We will place it shape outlines. We are going to do this 4 points. Now this is looking much more beautiful than before. Now we need to group them together so that when we will place animation on these, they appear simultaneously. They appear as a group. So we have grouped them together. Now select first, second, third, and 4 shapes. Go to Animations and select the wipe animation. Wipe one. Right, effect options from left. This will move like this. We will increase the duration to 1.5 seconds, and we will select after previous, play after previous. Perfect. We'll go to insert some text also. We will write here text here so that you can customize it according to your requirement. We are changing the font to copper black and little bit resizing it to the adjustments. Control A, and then change the color of the font according to the requirements. We are giving it whitish gray color. Now Control D and place it to the near to every placeholder that we have created. Perfect. Perfect. If you want this template, do tell me in the comment section. I will provide. Select all these text boxes, go to animation and then wipe, fade, and we will increase the duration to 1.50 seconds, exactly same as the earlier one. And effect options, we will animate the text by letter. Perfect. So we need to move to their respective positions these animations below the groups, so that the group and the text appear together. So we are moving it to their respective positions. Perfect. Now what will we do? We will animate these joining lines. So we will select all these lines 1, 2 and 3 and wipe. Perfect. We will increase the duration. First we will select it after previous, increase the duration to 1 second and move it to their respective positions below the text boxes. Perfect. Now one box should appear with a delay after the second, so we need to introduce the delay. So we will delay this by around 1 second. Same process with the other ones. Perfect. We have played this. So this is how the animation will play. Very nice. The second one to the third one. The text is coming very nice, very beautiful animation with the text. These 4 ones. So that's all from this side. Thanks for watching Live Life and keep watching our other videos. Do check out the complete videos and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon and share with the maximum people that you can do. Thanks a lot.